hi mahal. So this is it. Kahit anong paghahanda natin, I guess we'll never really be ready for this moment. But here we are, standing in front of each other, ready to begin our story.
Daniel and Ruth, you are here today all because of God's love. He loves you so much, that is why He has entrusted you with a gift of love that you are to seal and sanctify in the sacrament of marriage. Ang rason sa pagtitipon natin sa hapong ito sa sakramento ng kasal ay dahil sa pag-ibig.
You're my piece of heaven on earth. Oh, you make it all worth it. You're the reason I keep hitting snooze just to stay next to you. Over and over and over again. Over and over again.
Di ka naman nagkamali sa pagpapalaki sa akin. So, lahat ng mga sacrifices mo, lahat ng hirap mo. So, lahat yun na-appreciate ko. And kahit pa na, ito may wedding day, so di ko kayo papabayaan. Lalo-lalo ka.
Thank you, nak.
Love you.
Thank you, nak. I love you.
You're my piece of heaven on earth. Oh, you make it all worth it. You're the reason I keep hitting snooze just to stay next to you. Over and over and over again. I can't wait to do this with you. Over and over and over again.
Mahal, sana magustuhan mo tong simple gift ko sa'yo. Dagdag sa iyong collection. Uy! See you later. I love you. Ruth.
Parang may bago akong may hiram ah.
O may papadala na kay Kel
Small little moments I'll never let go of. Life moves too fast, but
Mahal, one of the things I truly admire about you is how you stay true to yourself, how you've supported and trusted me through everything. You've always pushed me to be the best version of myself. And yet, look where we are now. All I can say is, the best is yet to come.
you're my piece of heaven on earth. Oh, you make it all worth it. You're the reason I keep hitting snooze just to stay next to you. Over and over and over again. I can't wait to do this with you. Over and over and over again. Over and over again.
12 years ago, I met the man who changed my life in ways I never could have imagined. Sabi ko nun sa sarili ko, pagpasok ko ng college, hindi ako magbo-boyfriend ng taga Mapua. Kasi sure ako, pareho kaming walang oras, puro aral, puro solve. Dumating ako sa punto na sinabi ko sa sarili ko na malas ata ako sa love life. But God knows how much I prayed for someone na kayang ibigay ang pagmamahal na hinahanap ko kahit na masungit and moody ako. And truly, the right person comes at the most unexpected time.
When you smile, I wish time would stop for a while. I thank the day that you walked my way. And
I hope nagmahal lahat eh. Ayun o, nasa akin na daw lang lahat. Gamitin mo lagi. I love you. Yeah. Right? Thank you. Alright. Oh my God, naiyak ako. Jaro. Thank you, thank you.
so easy loving you. It's easy loving you. So take my hand, dance with me. I swear some things are meant to
Ma and ba. Ayan na. Thank you. Kasi naging independent ako dahil sa inyo. Sa support nyo sa akin. So, ayun. Hala, mahal yung make-up. Charot. Hindi, sige. Ayun lang, thankful ako sa parents ko. Kasi pinalikin nila ako na kung ano yung gusto ko gawin sa buhay. Nakasupport lang sila sa akin. So, ayun.
till we're 85, dancing around in a home made for two. Nobody gets me like you.
I want to explore and experience everything life has to offer with you. Trusting that God will guide us through every step. And as I end my vow, I want you to know that you will always be my princess engineer and now my queen. I love you always. Good luck sa atin.
And it's so easy loving you. It's easy loving you. So take my hand, dance with me. I swear some things are meant to be. It's crazy how I never knew how easy it
As we begin this new chapter of our lives, let's walk hand in hand with God, never rushing, always learning, always growing. Okay lang kahit minsan may tampuhan tayo. Kasi sa dulo alam kong di natin papabayaan ang isa't isa.
And it's so easy loving. It's easy loving you. It's easy loving. It's easy loving you. So take my hand, dance with me. I swear some things are meant to be. It's crazy.
Alam kong hindi magiging madali at masaya palagi, pero alam kong gagabayan tayo ni God palagi. Standing here with you today, my heart is full of gratitude for every step that led us to this moment. Ito na yung matagal nating hinintay at pinagdasal. Together, we will build a life filled with love, laughter, and endless moments. Can't wait to have our little Daniel and little Ruth. Mahal na mahal kita, Dranya.